In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use gems in Gemini to save time with AI step by step. To get started, head over to Google Gemini and sign in with your Google account. Once you're inside, look over to the sidebar and find the Gems section. Click on it to open it up. Gems are essentially custom AI assistants that you can tailor for specific tasks, which makes them incredibly useful if you do the same kinds of work over and over again. Before creating your own, take a moment to explore the existing gems already available in Gemini. You may see options designed for writing, coding, research, learning, productivity, or content creation. This is helpful because it gives you a sense of what's possible and may even save you time if one of the pre-made options already fits your needs. When you're ready, click Create a Gem. This is where you'll build your own personalized assistant. Start by giving your gem a clear, simple name based on what you want it to do. For example, you might name it YouTube Scriptwriter, Social Media Manager, Email Assistant, Business Coach, or SEO Content Creator. A clear name makes it easier to find later, especially if you end up creating several gems. Next, write your custom instructions. This is the most important part because it tells the gem exactly how to behave. Be as specific as possible. For example, you could write something like, "You are an SEO expert who creates YouTube titles, descriptions, and tags." Always optimize content for search rankings and audience engagement. In general, the more detail you include here, the better the results will be. If Gemini gives you the option to upload files, you can also add knowledge sources such as PDFs, documents, training materials, brand guidelines, or company procedures. This can make your gem much more relevant and consistent, especially if you want it to work from your own materials. After that, click Save to create your custom gem. Once it's saved, open it and start chatting with it just like you would with any normal AI assistant. You can ask it to generate blog posts, create social media content, write emails, build marketing plans, or answer questions based on uploaded documents. Now test it with a few different tasks to see how well it follows your instructions. You might ask it to write a YouTube script about AI tools, create a Facebook post promoting life insurance, or summarize a business document. If the responses aren't quite right, open the gem settings, update the instructions, add more detail or examples, and save your changes. Finally, consider creating multiple gems for different workflows, such as one for SEO, one for content writing, one for customer support, one for virtual assistant tasks, and another for sales and marketing. That's how gems can really start saving you time.